Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and thank you so much for being here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my fluffy high puff on 4C hair. Are you ready? So these are all the products that I use. I'll list them down below. So I just start off by fluffing out my hair using the Afro comb. And then I come through with the curling souffle. So then afterwards I use Eco Styling Gel to kind of smoothen out my hair. And then I'll do the same with the Got To Be Glued gel. Then I come through with my Boar brush. I definitely recommend this type of brush for this hairstyle because it takes out any like bumps in your hair because of like the texture of the bristles. Then I rub in the Murray's Beeswax around like the edges of my hair. And don't forget the back. Do the back as well, please. So this bit is way less complicated than it looks. So I just get a shoelace, one that obviously hasn't been used on shoes, and then I wrap it around my hair till I can't pull anymore, and then I tighten it and then tie it. So I just fluff it out using my hands, and you can add more of the souffle at this point. I think it's important for us to normalize not always having to have our 4C edges slicked down. So at this point, as you can see, I'm ready to go, but I guess continue on if you want to see how I would slick my edges down. I use the Murray's Beeswax and I just apply it to like the perimeter of my hairline. And then I join the loose ends of my edges into my hair. I'll use the Got To Be Glued spray to hold it down. As you can see, I put the scarf more on my hair rather than on my edges. This is so any flyaways can mold into my actual hair. Made it through. Everything I gave to you, I gave to you. You got it, you got it, it's coming. You got it, it's coming. You got it, it's coming. Are you ready? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.